Enhances car aesthetics, improves nighttime visibility, boosts safety, and creates a stylish, personalized look for any vehicle. My today's video is about top 5 best car underglow lighting that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Yylent Smart RGB Car Underglow Kit. This Smart SoundSync LED underglow light kit delivers impressive brightness and transforms your car's appearance instantly. Equipped with high-intensity 3-in-1 RGB chips, the combination of 72 LED and 54 LED strips produces vibrant, evenly distributed lighting that fully illuminates the underbody while maintaining low power consumption. Control is highly flexible through both a Bluetooth app and a 24-key RF remote, allowing you to switch between multicolor, DIY, and dynamic music modes with ease. The built-in sensitive microphone makes the lights pulse and dance perfectly to your music, adding a show-stopping effect at night. Durability is another strong point, thanks to IP67 waterproof, dust-proof flexible rubber tubing that performs reliably in rain and harsh road conditions. Installation is straightforward with strong adhesive backing, cable ties, and bendable strips that fit various mounting areas. With broad 12V vehicle compatibility and a solid warranty, this underglow kit offers excellent value for style-focused drivers. Now our second product is Nilight 4 PCS Car Underglow Neon. This ultra-bright LED underglow kit is designed to make your vehicle stand out with stunning clarity and dynamic effects. Powered by 256 SMD 5050 LED chips, it delivers evenly distributed brightness, while advanced RGBIC technology creates smooth chasing and flowing light patterns that elevate both style and driving ambience. Control is effortless through a feature-rich mobile app and included remote, offering millions of colors, music-responsive modes, rhythm effects, DIY customization, and convenient timing functions to match any mood or occasion. Built for durability, the IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in rain, rough roads, and daily driving. Strong adhesive backing combined with cable ties and mounting hardware keeps the strips firmly in place even at highway speeds. Installation is simple using direct 12V power connections, making it compatible with cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and campers. With a complete accessory package included, this underglow kit offers excellent value, reliability, and eye-catching visual impact. Our third product is OPT7 Aura Aluminum Car Underglow Lights. The Aura LED underglow kit stands out with its rigid aluminum construction, offering far greater durability than typical plastic light strips. The premium IP67 sealed aluminum housing resists moisture, corrosion, and road debris, making it ideal for daily driving in harsh conditions. Its modular design includes 4 movable 2-section light bars with flexible center connectors, allowing clean, customized mounting while maintaining a smooth, continuous glow under your vehicle. Control is simple and versatile using the handheld remote, giving access to 12 vivid colors, adjustable brightness and speed levels, and 24 dynamic lighting modes ranging from subtle fades to bold strobe effects. Designed for universal fitment, the kit installs securely under most cars, coupes, hatchbacks, and sports vehicles. Installation is safe and straightforward with included brackets, zip ties, and a fused 12V power harness for stable performance. Backed by a 1-year warranty and reliable US-based support, this underglow system delivers lasting quality and standout style. Now number 4, Yylent Underglow Kit. This Dream Color LED underglow kit delivers eye-catching brightness and an immersive lighting experience that truly transforms your vehicle. Powered by high-intensity RGBIC chips, it offers over 16 million colors and an impressive 213 chasing effects, creating smooth, flowing patterns that sync perfectly with your music. The dynamic response to rhythm, speed, and brightness makes night driving feel exciting and personalized. Control is seamless through the upgraded Magic Lantern app and the included 24-key RF remote, giving you access to DIY color creation, music and rhythm modes, timing functions, and preset effects. Built with a durable 2-line design and IP68 waterproof flexible rubber tubing, the lights are well protected against rain, debris, and harsh road conditions. Installation is straightforward using adhesive backing, clips, or screws, with multiple power options for added convenience. With a complete all-in-one package, solid warranty, and broad vehicle compatibility, this underglow kit offers excellent value and standout style. And our last choice is Edna's Car Underglow Lights. This addressable LED underglow strip kit delivers a highly customizable and visually striking lighting experience. Thanks to built-in IC technology, you can precisely control colors, brightness, and chasing speed, choosing from over 120 dynamic chasing modes that flow, dance, skip, and twinkle smoothly along the strips. For drivers who prefer a cleaner look, the system also allows fully customized static colors, and you can even save favorite effects for quick access. The low-power LED design provides brilliant undercar illumination without draining your battery, making it ideal for night driving and music-filled cruises. Control is simple through the LED Hue app, offering instant Bluetooth connectivity with no complicated setup. With IP68 waterproof protection and strong adhesive backing, the strips hold up well against rain and road conditions when installed properly. Compatible with most 12V vehicles, this underglow kit enhances your car's exterior with elegant, eye-catching lighting while remaining energy efficient and easy to use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.